Now, guys. Shh. Okay. Now, guys. Uh, hopefully, this recording actually works this time. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're after the coefficient of x squared. Okay. Once again, we start like we always do. 10 choose 0. Then we have x to the power 10. Okay. Not concerned about multiplying now. 10c1. We're going to have x to the power of x power 9. Yeah. And here's where it gets awkward. The minus 1 over x cubed to the power of 1. Good. Right. Now, what we're looking at here, guys, is the following. Okay? We're looking at the x9 and the x3. What did they make when you combine them together? Huh? So that the first one's an x10. It's divided. It's x9 divided by x3, which is x6. To me, that indicates, yeah, to me, that indicates a pattern. Okay? What do you think the next one in line is going to be? All right, 10 to 6 is going down in fours. But everybody agree the next one's 10 too. Okay, so here's what you're going to have 10c2. Okay, you're going to have x to the power of 8. You're going to have 1 minus 1 over x cubed to the power of 2. All right, now just, yeah, power 2 also means squared. Did not already know that. No. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. That squared works on both the minus 1 and the 6 and the 3, doesn't it? So that'll be 1 over x6. On top is x8. What's x8 divided by x6? And we already knew that it's x squared or x power 2. Now, here's what we know now, right? That's your x squared. Now, what's 10c2? 45. Okay? All right. 45 x squared. Is that okay with you guys? So look, guys, that was actually quite handy. That's one of the easiest ones we've done. Okay? And look, for argument's sake, the hardest one you're going to do or the most difficult one you're going to do. Did I do this one yet? I did. I'll do 8 par 4 for you just to lighten the load. What? Did you? Excellent. Right. Here's what we're going to do. What we're looking for? We're looking for independent of x. Independent of x means x to the power of 0. That's really key. 8c0. Okay. 2x cubed to the power of 8. Right. That's going to be x24. I need to get all the way down to x0. So I'm just going to analyze what the second term would look like. The second term is 8c1, and it's 2x cubed to the power of 7, and then 1 over 3x to the power of 1. And as I told you earlier, the only thing I'm interested in is finding out what the power of x is. So my targeting looks like this. I'm only looking at those yellow parts. That's what I'm looking at. So what's on top? x21. And on the bottom, x power 1. See, it's x to the power to the yellow part, power 1. So x20. So that to me means we're going down in fours. Okay, so we then do the list. 8c2 would be x16. 8c3 would be x12. 8c4 is x8. 8c5 is x4. And finally, 8c6, it happens to be x0. Okay, now, gents, finally, what we're going to do here, guys, is we're then going to use our generic formula, which is this guy here, NCR P to the power of Q to the power of R. Okay. Now, 8. Now, what we doing? 6. So that means my R value is 6, which means it's minus 1 over 3x to the power of 6, and it's going to be 2x cubed to the power of 2, because they had to add up to 8, don't they? Now, your targeting is very important here. What you're actually inputting into your calculator is extreme here. So we go that one, the squared, the minus 1/3, and the 6. See the way I'm ignoring the existence of the x's? Okay, that's very important because then you can do it all in one go. As we said, we don't want to do any unnecessary work. 8 choose 6, 2 to the power of 2, and then open bracket minus 1/3 over 3. Yeah, minus the third is 1/3. Yeah, to the power of 6. And we get an odd number, but I think it's the right one. Did you get that? 112 over 729? Grant. So lads, that's it. The homework's still the same, but you have help now.